So in today's video, I'm going over 6 weird makeup tips and tricks that changed my life in terms of makeup, and I'm also going to be giving you a little bit of a demonstration for each tip. I'm calling them weird because they're kind of like small and subtle things that you can add to your makeup routine. However, they can still make a significantly big difference to your makeup. So the first tip is to use a very small powder brush instead of a large one. I personally used to use the biggest makeup brush in the world to apply powder, and switching to the smaller brush basically made the biggest difference because it helps to actually get all of the product on the inner corners of the face, and just like all the angles and inner corners that sometimes a big brush might miss. And also this way you're only applying the required amount of powder rather than using your product in excess and kind of wasting it. Here I am using the translucent setting powder in Banana by Nude by Nature. So the second tip is related to the first one, is basically to tap off the excess from your powder before applying. Again, I never used to do this personally, and using too much product can accentuate all the fine lines and wrinkles and just all the dry areas in your face, which is not a good look. So tapping off the excess can help you avoid using too much product. So number 3 is to find the right shade of everything in your makeup. So this is not just the right foundation and concealer shade, but also the right lipstick shade, your right blush shade, bronzer, your powder, and sometimes even your eyeshadow colors or shades can make such a big difference in enhancing and complementing your skin tone. So choosing the wrong shades can make you look ashy and washed out, and choosing the right ones can really enhance your look, which is why when I realized this for myself, I made a whole entire playlist of videos on choosing the right colors and right shades if you do have olive skin. So number 4 is using a brow gel. So this is another trick that changed my life, makeup life that is. So once I fill in my brows with powder or pencil, I go over them with some eyebrow gel, or you can just use the gel on its own if you do have a substantial amount of hair on your brows. Basically saves you so much time and gives your brows a very neat, clean and well-groomed appearance, and it also stays put all day long, unless of course you like the messy look, in which case you can skip this step. I use the brow gel by the 1000 Hours Instant Brow Brush On Mascara. Number 5 was to start using bronzer and blush, and also to start using them in smaller amounts than I used to. So using a bit of blush and bronzer can really enhance olive skin tones because it does add some warmth to your skin tone and also makes it look like it's glowing from within. But please make sure to pick the right shades and colors for your skin tone, and also not to overdo it or apply too much like I used to. Finally, number 6 is to draw a crease with some dark brown eyeshadow just above your natural crease on your eyelid space. And now this is mainly a game changer for me because I do have hooded eyes, so definitely try this one if you also have hooded eyes, because this can really help provide that depth around the eyes and also helps to open them up and enhance them. But even if you don't have hooded eyes, you could still try this tip by adding some dark eyeshadow to your actual crease, and when you apply the right amount, which is not too much, it can really enhance your eyes. Those are all the tips I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.